Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to enable or disable mono audio on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In Settings, scroll down and go to Accessibility. In Accessibility, okay, go to Hearing Enhancement. Okay, tap this. Here in Hearing Enhancement, okay, you can see the mono audio. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, if this turn on, play the same sound out of the both speakers. And okay guys, to enable this, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled or disabled mono audio on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.